Sidewalk chalk, zoo animals.
Hi everybody. Today we're going to draw an elephant. We're going to start by making a large circle for its body. And elephants have 4 legs. So we're going to start by making 2 long lines underneath the body, split those in half, and split them in half again. Now you've got your 4 legs standing next to each other. Next we'll do the head, which is kind of like a teardrop shape. And from there you can add the trunk. And don't forget the elephant's large ears. They use those ears to flap and keep cool. And then we also need a small tail. Next, we got to color in that whole body. I'm choosing to do a blue today. So elephants are one of my favorite animals. There are elephants that live in Africa and elephants that live in Asia. And today I'm creating an Asian elephant. And I can tell this because it does not have any tusks. Female Asian elephants do not have tusks. But if this were an African elephant, both the males and females would have tusks. I'll color in the ears there. And notice I kind of go over one area that's overlapping right there. And now that ear looks fully connected to the head. We'll color in the legs. Did you know that elephants walk on their tippy toes? If you were able to look inside their legs, you'll see that the way their bones of their feet are, they have a big padded cushion underneath the back side of their feet. So it actually looks like they're walking on their tippy toes of their toe bones. They have these big cushions because their bodies are so heavy and it helps them to walk very quietly. So elephants really aren't big stompers. They actually walk really quietly. Now we'll color in the head. And the trunk. Those trunks are very important. They're used as a nose, but they're also used as a hand. They can grab things with them, tear things, they feed themselves. So those trunks are very important for elephants. Lastly, we'll give them some tiny eyes.